When you send your tax dollars to the state, we use those tax dollars to deliver services and products that you need and that you've asked for.
Everything you see around us is a result of some sort of an agreement between the people who need things and the people who provide things to make sure that that contract and that agreement is done well. That's what we do.
We procure more than $6 billion in commodities and service contracts each and every year. Why shouldn't our state, the great state of Maryland, have one of the best e-procurement systems to leverage our buying power?
The state recognized it needed to modernize procurement. This happened across both the legislative, the executive, the business community, chambers of commerce.
The face of procurement is changing, and it's a very competitive marketplace. When you look at our old system, which was outdated, inefficient, frustrated users to no end, well, the state deserves to have a state-of-the-art procurement system. eMaryland Marketplace Advantage, otherwise known as EMMA, is the first step in a total transformation that will change technology, processes, and people.
First of all, you have our citizens who have to know what their government's doing. So there needs to be insight, transparency into that process. From a procurement perspective, you have to have an effective tool that operates efficiently in order to do all of the steps within the procurement process. And then suppliers have to be enabled efficiently to do business with the state.
And that's exactly why utilizing best practices, making the system more efficient and transparent is good for the taxpayer and is good for the state.
We have a strong partnership team in both our implementer, Nitor, as well as the tool maker, Ivalua.
We stood up EMMA in July with little to no issues with its debut. And that's unheard of in the fact that we stood up the program in 4.5 months.
Part of the transformation was understanding that this is truly a team effort. It's not just about procurement. It's about finance, it's about personnel, it's about technology, it's about transportation. We have a ball that as we go into meetings and as the pool of stakeholders increases, we give them the ball and we said, you're committed to this transformation, sign the ball. You're on the team, and people respond.
The system's been in use, and we continue to strengthen it through sourcing, invoicing, and other components that our old system didn't have. We're going to be transparent, efficient, and most importantly, reliable, which is why this new engagement moves us into the next generation of procurement.
Our vision is to be the leading center of excellence in delivering all goods and services to the key stakeholders who rely on us to deliver what they need to do their jobs. So from a change management perspective, we're able to make adjustments, maintain the course, and go in the right direction.